Want to go beyond the basics and actually master command prompt? CMD has commands for navigating files, managing folders, checking your system, troubleshooting networks, and automating everyday tasks. In this guide, I'll cover the command groups you should learn first and show you how to use them effectively. Start with navigation. Use dir to list files and folders, cd to change directories, and cd ... to move back one level. You can also type cd / to return to the root of the current drive. These commands form the foundation for working inside CMD. Next, learn basic file management. Use MKDIR to create folders, copy to duplicate files, move to relocate them, and ren to rename them. For deletion, del removes files, while RMDIR can remove folders. Be careful with deletion commands because they can permanently remove data. For system information, commands like SYSTEMINFO, HOSTNAME, and WHOAMI can quickly tell you about the computer and current user. Use TASKLIST to see running processes. These commands are useful for troubleshooting without opening multiple Windows menus. For networking, start with IPCONFIG to check your IP configuration. Use ping to test connectivity, TRACERT to view the route to a destination, and NSLOOKUP to check DNS resolution. These commands are especially useful when websites won't load or your internet connection is acting strangely. CMD also includes powerful troubleshooting tools. Use SFC/SCANNOW to scan protected Windows system files, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth to repair the Windows component store, and CHKDSK to check a drive for file system problems. Some commands require administrator access. To master CMD, don't try to memorize everything. Type help to see common commands, or use a command followed by /? for detailed options. Press the up arrow to reuse previous commands, and tab to autocomplete file and folder names. These small features make a huge difference, and that's a practical path to mastering command prompt. Learn navigation first, then file management, system information, networking, and troubleshooting. Practice commands in a safe folder, read the help options, and always check what a command will do before pressing enter. So learn the basics well, and the advanced commands become much easier.